Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to create fields in this table which will only going to accept emails. Okay, so let's get started. So this is my table context. It has context ID, name, phone number and password, but our email is missing. So let's add email. Go to design view. Okay. Name the field as email and data type should be short text. Just come down to the validation rule. So validation rule confirms that whatever is written in the field should match a certain criteria. Okay, so here we have a criteria of like means compare to the following format. The format will be written in inverted commas, and then we'll start with star means a string of character, and then question mark, at least one character, and then at the rate of. So this means that there should be at least one character or string of character before at the rate of, and then there should be at the rate of, then again question mark and star. So there should also be some string or character after at the rate of, then there should be dot, and again there should be some string or character after dot. So let's see if it works or not. Go back to the sheet view, save the table. Okay, you want just keep pressing this. Okay, come to the email. Let's add something. Taha. So this gives you a warning that it cannot be accepted. We can also change this warning. Okay, just remove this and come to the design view, and here's the validation text. So this is the text that will be shown if the validation rule is not obeyed. Okay, so we will write here, please enter some valid email address. Okay, so let's check it out. Go back to that sheet view and let's see. Taha. Okay, so you can see it is given now. Let's change it to Taha at the rate of yahoo.com and see. Now it is working. Now you can add anything, like if you add only and didn't add anything after dot, it's not gonna accept. Or if you directly add dot and then write something, it is not gonna accept. You must add an email. See, so now it is working. So hope you like the tutorial. If you wanna learn how the phone number and password are masked like that, you can check our next video, which is based on this masking phone numbers and password. Link given in the description. Thank you very much.